Hi everyone, welcome to Rotorua, New Zealand. We're on the most beautiful location here. You'll see the most beautiful ducks and geese and many other New Zealand birds here. So I hope you enjoy that while the video is going. Today I wanted to talk to you all about choosing the right clinic. The clinic or hospital even, whether it be in your own country or Mexico or Thailand or Germany or anywhere else. There's so many questions we have to ask you before we help you choose a clinic or a hospital, and there's so many things you need to be taking into consideration for your chronic disease or cancer journey. For example, what budget you have, type and stage of cancer or your chronic disease, what treatments have you already done, and will you need accommodation, or are you happy to be in a live-out clinic? There are so many amazing clinics in so many places, so many amazing practitioners, so many ways that we can heal from chronic disease or illness. And whatever choice you make, whichever journey you take, as long as your mind is following that journey and is peaceful about the decision that you make, you will find that you'll heal better by just being at peace about it than if you're stressing about every cent and every moment of that journey. We have many clinics that we can tell you that are amazing. Yes, there are clinics that we wouldn't recommend, but there are so many amazing clinics, so many amazing treatments, and so many incredible stories from so many places. I wanted to share with you my story today about where I've been and what I've done for my treatment. Many of you may not know that I had stage 2 breast cancer. I went originally to the Hoxie Biomedical Center in Tijuana, Mexico, and I went a couple of times and was doing so well with my cancer, and then I ended up in hospital for 3 months and was unable to swallow or keep anything down. I contacted the most amazing doctor in Mexico, and she took me to many different clinics to try and work out what would be the best treatment for me, because not one shoe is going to fit us all. We all need different things. We all have a different history. After this trip, we found the right clinic for me, and that led me on the journey of going into remission from cancer. And yes, I'm currently in remission from cancer, and I still have 3 benign brain tumors that we're working on shrinking at the moment, but I can attest to the fact that along this journey I've seen the most amazing treatments, the most amazing stories, and met the most amazing people, and I'm very thankful for this journey. Many of you have been cut, burned and poisoned, so when you're looking at a clinic, you're coming in, some of you are very sick and very, very ill, not just physically but mentally, because when you go through what cancer patients and chronic disease patients go through, a lot of us have a lot of trouble with our will to live because we're exhausted and we're tired, and we need to also address that in this journey, looking at counseling, looking at support emotionally, and looking at keeping your goals in place so that you're not just living day to day and trying to survive. You're looking at where is your future, where are you going. I've addressed this in previous videos. Please feel free to look back on those videos and have a look at how I've talked about that as well. Remember, this journey, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. You're not going to go to a clinic once and be in remission straight away. This is a long journey. So if you're looking at the more expensive clinics and you've only got enough for that one visit, please look at the cheaper clinics. Look at some cheaper options. Just because they're dearer does not make them any better than some of the clinics that charge you less. If any of you are looking for help, any of you are looking for guidance, or even some suggestions, or just someone to talk to, please feel free to message myself, Cherie, because I understand. I've been there. I know what it's like. I can't profess to know everything. I don't. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a medical person. I've just been there and I understand. So If you need help with the clinics, or you need help choosing, or would like to know which are the better clinics for your condition, please feel free to contact us. Again, thank you for joining us in Rotorua, New Zealand, and we look forward to chatting with you further.